Look at this, guys. He's aiming on his chest. Let's see what happened next.
Let's try once again.
He's using Nerf gun, by the way. He loaded, and then let's see now. Oh, it hurts.
It hit on my chest. That's why it's fine.
Does it hurt?
No, it hurts when it hits your nipple or your delicate portion.
Otherwise, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah, it is fine. Like sturdy, like your bones. Once again.
Okay.
Sturdy.
Okay, let's try some different bullet. This bullet.
Let's go do this. Let's do this.
Do it.
Now he's aiming on him. Let's see what happens. Oh, nothing happens. This one is this is
He was such a big
yes.
guy.
He is such a big guy.
If he is using this big guy, then how he aim for that little cat?
Oh yes, that's true.
I was aiming on his chest.
Oh, it doesn't have anything in there. You doesn't know how to use it. Oh, now it has good. Now he is trying that, guys. Let's see what happens next. It's gonna be excited. You wanna tell something? Oh. Oh, he got. Oh. Oh. he got hit by the shank.
I found two.
One is there.
So guys, this is the Nerf battle here. This goes Nerf battle here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.
One of his 100 channels.
One of his 100 channels. Yes, that's true. Oh.
Guys, alert.
Hi guys, what's up? Alhamdulillah, Allah has given us everything.
What are we going to do today?
We're currently we're going to drink some juice.
Yeah, some juice. With some ice cream.
Mango juice. I mean,
So we all are
mixed fruit, I guess. Mixed fruit is better than mango juice, in my opinion. Yeah, so mixed fruit is
You
better
have
than
tried
mango
it over
juice.
there, right?
What?
How does it taste? You have tried it over there, right?
Yes, it was very good to taste. You know.
But the cocktail you mean, right?
Yes, cocktail and other stuff.
Which one is the best one, do you think?
I think mixed one is very good.
Mixed. So
What
what all
confidence you have,
are
yeah.
there? What contents are there?
But
in
we have
that
to
milk?
speak a little
They have
bit
a
louder.
lot. They have a lot of stuff there. We're gonna eat. We're gonna drink, guys.
Okay. So what kind? Like apple, mango, and
Apple, mango.
watermelon, everything
Yes, everything
Mixed
they have.
into one.
And other things.
What?
mixed into one, everything.
Yes,
How
mixed
many
into
drinks
one.
are we going to drink? How many
We're gonna eat.
milkshakes?
We're gonna drink two milkshakes. What do you think?
Two. How much
Does it
the cost
contain
of
ice
one?
cream as well?
50 per
Oh, 50?
per one. Yes.
Does it contain ice cream as well?
If you want ice cream one, yes, there was 50 or 60 something. Yes.
Okay, it's only 10 rupees, minor difference.
Yes, minor difference. Very.
Coin's t-shirt looks old.
So guys, we're going there. So see you
It looks like
there.
It is 1 year old.
See you guys on the there.
It has.
You wanna say something, guys? He isn't coming because he has some appointment with doctor.
How did it become so dark? Is it in 60 FPS?
No,
No,
it
no, it
is
is
the 30th. But I can. Oh,
now it's better.
now it's really bad.
Camera?
Yes, back camera looks really good. It is like vlog camera, you know.
Okay.
So guys,
I'm not. I'm not saying that I'm.
You're a
good
fan.
looking yeah, I'm not a fan. Absolutely. I'm just saying because my hairstyle is making it look like that.
yes, that's true.
Right. Okay, good.
So hi guys, what's up? So guys, we're currently going. If I know he was there, if I know he was coming,
then you would have
then I
not
will
stopped.
vlog like this. Oh,
Started.
yes, I started. So guys, currently we are going to drink some juice, guys. We're gonna have so much fun.
Where's the other brother?
The other brother is there, guys. We're gonna take him and we're gonna go to drink some juice and we're gonna have so much fun today, guys. So guys, I'm gonna take you guys with me along and we're gonna have so much fun along together.
Eat and drink everything.
Yes, we're gonna eat and drink.
When Zul
So
kindly gets
yes.
away. What he does then?
Yeah.
When he gets
Why he
angry,
gets angry? Because why he got angry? But
So he's angry and
don't make him angry.
real number. Hello? I'm calling him.
You're calling him.
Yeah, he's not answering.
Very nice.
The main number. This one. How's the lighting and all everything?
Lighting is really good.
Oh.
I think this phone brightens up.
Yeah, it is capturing nicely in shadows.
Yes.
Someone is coming. I don't know what it is, but so will you stop the vlog or not? Oh, I think it is unknown person, so we should continue.
So guys, we're currently going there. So let's go, guys. Let's go to drink some juice. Are you guys coming with me? Let's come and just enjoy the party, guys. Let's do this. Let's see you in the next shot. Oh, wait a minute, guys. I wanted to update something. He isn't coming because he has appointment with some doctor.
health, brother.
Take care of your health, and you will be good, inshallah.
He will pray for you. Hey, but where is Zuhail? He's not answering.
We're waiting
He
for
got
Zoeb,
angry.
guys.
He got angry. Hey, ja.
Why?
This meeting bache.
Why?
We can't even call him.
So guys, we're going there right now. But Zoeb is not coming, I guess. What?
He is not answering. Might get cancelled.
Oh,
See, I'm calling him.
it is very
So at his house.
fragile plan, guys.
What? Yeah. Actually, we visited the plan. We stopped our word for.
Okay.
Go in his house. Paul is
guys-
not getting connected. Guys.
So let's go to his house, guys. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do this, guys. Alhamdulillah. Guys, Zoeb has arrived and we're going now.
So finally, plan.
So final plan is successful.
Getting cancelled.
Plan isn't cancelled. It's on. It's on the way. So let's go. So let's go, guys. We're gonna have so much fun. Let's do this. Alhamdulillah. Let's go.
Let's go. What are you eating for? Not waiting for me.
So guys, we have this one, this Activa, and what Shine.
Hello.
So let's go, guys.
He's trying to ride.
He's trying to ride, guys. Let's see if he can ride or not. He doesn't know how to drive, guys. Oh, he's driving. Hope he doesn't crash like before, because he crashed a lot of time, guys. बच्ची बेटा vlogging कर रहा हूँ. So guys, we're going. He's driving this scooty and I'm driving this Shine. So guys, let's do this. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's do this.
Come on, in this bike.
Alhamdulillah.
Show here.
So bye. We are going. Amma.
Show to us. Bye.
Bye. You're coming. He's coming and still he's saying bye. So guys, let's go.
Because he's about to cancel it.
Yes.
We are here to fill the petrol. As you can see.
We are at the gas station right now, and he's gonna refill the fuel. So Wait.
Let's see what happens. This phone is having focusing issues right now. Why isn't it getting focused? Why is it taking so much time, Vikhar?
Doing something.
Okay. Okay. Of how much rupees? He's filling the fuel right now, and that's why I wasn't recording.
Petrol here. 100 rupees filling up here and 60 rupees there.
Oh,
What would people think that's
Vishan is also here. Vaz, would you like to say something? Hey, this phone is having focusing issues, I think. You have to clear the camera, I think. It is having focusing issues.
What's happening here? He'll be pissed off.
Right. You have to clean the camera. Now we have filled the fuel.
We just filled up the fuel now. Let's go to the juice center.
Okay, let's go. Take this.
So guys, we're triple seat here. Oh, and we're going to juice center. Look at this.
Yeah, cool. Okay, let's go. We are getting.
Okay, let's go. We're getting late, guys. So guys, we just arrived in the Lucky Juice Center, guys. As you can see, the Lucky Juice Center, guys. And we're arrived. So guys, let's go. Let's drink it. Okay. So let's drink, guys. Now let's go. Let's go inside now. So guys, they have arrived here. We all have arrived. So let's drink it now. You want to see?
Going to wash their hands.
What? Yeah, we should also go and wash.
Wash their hands.
I guess.
We're going to use the spoon and use, right?
Yes, spoon and straw.
Menu card, हाँ menu है.
This is the menu, guys. By the way.
Okay, so is it outdated or is it updated?
So now let's choose which one we want.
So here.
Let's choose. Which one?
Let's pick. What do you
Yes.
say? Which one? What Banco would be good? What do you say?
Ice cream one was very good. Ice cream.
Where is it?
You can record like ice cream one. Which one is that ice cream one? Mix and ice cream. Which one is that? Did you know that?
Which one is it? Let's buy all of them.
He wants to buy all of them.
Because I have all went a couple of weeks ago, right? You should remember.
What do you say? Ring right now. Choose.
One more camera here,
One
guys.
more vlog here, guys. So
The both of the clips are going to get combined.
no,
Yeah,
that's
we
not.
can if you want. Where is it? It's just written cream.
So guys, we decided
We have to ask
mix
the
and ice
waiter.
cream. Let's ask him, guys.
Hey, that man is
Mix and ice cream. Mix and ice cream.
कौन सा वाला है इसमें?
नहीं लास्ट में
ओ।
आपके पास ये
मिक्स फ्रूट ये है और ऊपर आइसक्रीम। चल ये ऑर्डर कर लेते फिलहाल ये दे दो।
Ice cream. So guys, we just ordered it. I'm so happy.
Have you tried it before? From this location.
So yes,
So guys, we are going to order. What are we going to order?
just ordered
What did we order?
ice cream. Mixed order ice cream.
Okay, wait. I'll show you.
Pineapple roll
Here, this
60.
one.
Yes,
Where's
this one.
here?
First one we ordered.
Okay, the cancelled one.
Mixed fruit
Here,
60.
this we ordered.
Yes, yes. With ice cream. With ice cream, guys.
Okay, cool. What do you want to say, Zoe? No. Nothing. What? No. Doesn't have any words to say. Phone it?
With this. That is it contains ice cream.
Okay.
It isn't mentioned over here, but it contains ice cream.
Yes, it contains ice cream. Yes.
It's very cool. It will be very tasty.
Yes, we're gonna enjoy so much today.
Hi guys, we're going to enjoy. Ice cream shops are there, where big ice cream you can eat.
Yes, yes.
We will go next time. Let's make the plan. We should quickly make the plans next time.
Yes.
We not delayed. Today we delayed about 2 hours.
According to me, the one who's ready, that person has to come out. And
Yes.
get out of the house. Then it will confirm that that person. So we
Yes.
will not delay.
We will not delay next time.
So
Very
we are not going to
soon
delay
next time.
and we're gonna eat and
I almost
enjoy.
ordered- The table
Salad.
is really small.
I was missing-
expecting it to be a little bit bigger. In which Hamza and these 3 people are fitting. Which one was that? Not this one?
Yes, this is that one. Yes. That
Oh,
one.
and
That one.
but it was in which you and Baz went. Which one is that? Your or
This is that one. I mean, all of the same, but
it's here or no? For us, yes.
oh,
Yes, it's coming.
it is coming. So guys, our juice is about to arrive. Oh, Jazakallah khair. Jazakallah.
See how it looks.
He's coming with it. Oh.
Does it contain faluda?
No, Alhamdulillah.
pretty much tasty.
So guys, it's so tasty juice has arrived, and we're gonna drink it now. Let's do this.
Let's do it. Show it to me. It is giving a lot. Yes, you dropped it. I'm saying that quickly, otherwise police will catch.
Really?
Just
So guys, we have to drink it really fast.
We're gonna drink it very fast because police is going to arrive here at any moment.
So guys, we're enjoying this so tasty.
He actually dropped it. He didn't enjoy.
Police
He
is
was
coming
recording.
between our enjoyment.
Police is
Coming between
coming between
our
our enjoyments.
And we are not doing anything illegal.
Let me show this one.
Yeah.
Look at this ice cream also
We
here.
have to give a review out of 5.
Yes,
How much would you
I'm
give
gonna give 5 out of 4, guys. What were you think?
5 out of 4 or 4 out of 5?
4 out of 5.
I'll give 0.5.
Honestly, I'll give 3 point.
I'll give no. According to the price, I'll give 3.9.
3.9.
According to
What
me,
about-
it is
I'll give
quite sweet.
0.5. But according to price, it is around the 4.
He's given 4. He's given 4.
Yeah, 4.
4. And what
I
about
think
you?
Mumbai ones are the better ones. I think. Over here, it is not too good.
But price is also different.
And it is quite sweet, I think.
Sweet
Over
4.
sweet.
He also give 4, guys. And what about you?
According to me, it is 2.5.
Oh, he did very worst rating he gave. But
Because
it
contains
is
a
good.
lot of
guys.
sugar.
Yes.
Good times doesn't last much. It is getting over. Good times doesn't last.
But like after eating good half of it, I'll give a proper review.
Yes. So guys, we're gonna drink it and have so much fun. Look at this. So let's drink it now.
It's getting over also so fast.
So guys, we have finished this drink, as you can see.
Yeah, as you can see, mine is totally over. And it was pretty tasty. It was very tasty.
It was tasty, guys.
Yeah. But to be honest, I would rate it 0.4. But according to the price, 4.
Yes.
What would you rate?
I would rate it a 4 after eating. After completing it, I would change my review to 4. I would give it 2.5.
Founder increase, Arvaz decrease.
What increase decrease?
Ratings after full drinking it.
Okay, wait. So guys,
what is your rating?
actually I was kidding, I was joking. The actual rating is 7.
Oh, 7. He given
Out of
5
10.
out of 7.
Out of 10. no?
Out of 5.
But out of 5, it's 7.
He liked it so much, guys.
Yeah, it's very tasty. You guys should at least once in your lifetime you should come here.
Come
and
here.
try
It is called Lucky Juice Center in Aurangabad.
Speciality about this restaurant is the price.
It's like you're eating it for free.
The specialty of this shop, I mean this juice center is price. It is very best price, 60 rupees only.
It feels like I didn't pay for it.
Yes.
And pretty good, very worth it. Every penny, every single
penny, yes.
point, the penny is
last
worth
time
it.
we came here.
Hmm?
What did you guys do the last time you came here?
We drank this only, like this. Some other flavor was there, right?
Yes,
Strawberry
there was.
something.
There was other flavor. One is what?
There was other flavor.
This one was the
that was other flavors.
So we are chilling for some time.
fruit one.
Expensive ones as well.
Should we go home or wait?
I think we should
Let Zoe also join.
Okay, he's also vlogging.
Yeah, he's also
He
vlogging.
has switched the flash on.
Oh.
So it
He's
is
using the flash, but without flash, you guys looking very dark.
We should do that, but we should go somewhere else we time. Somewhere.
Somewhere else we go and eat.
Yeah.
Let's do this,
That's all
guys.
we're going to
It is
do.
good.
Let's go somewhere and eat, guys.
This guy.
Good
Oh.
camera, no?
Very good camera is that.
Better than
This is ultra, yes.
Ultra is way better.
Okay, so we are comparing both of the 21 Ultras side by side.
Vickers is clear.
Which one's better?
Vickers is better.
Both are better, but it's up to
Yeah.
your choice.
Yeah, it's up to your thinking.
Yes, up to your
Both are same model. The color sign is better on the right one, I think. See, it is natural.
Both are.
And it is a little bit softer.
It
on
is,
the
so actually, Izan's is Patkeva piece.
but
It is hit by hammer. This piece.
Yes, I think I don't know.
but how come this happens, man?
Better than mine. Look.
Let's compare
This
it
photo
to
camera.
Okay, I'll hold it.
And this video camera.
You have to record it. I'll show everyone's dad phone. Everyone's dad.
पुलिस पुलिस का अपना इसलिए मैं नहीं चलाता
Let's
Let's go,
also
guys.
not bad.
We are going and gonna eat something.
Looking inferior to S20. My phone is looking inferior.
Why our displays is not looking that much good? See, my phone's not looking good. Yeah.
Oh yes,
Not bad.
your phone is also looking good.
No, my God. S22.
I've seen in reviews that 22 Ultra, I mean 21 Ultra is better than 22 Ultra, and
In front.
yes,
Oh,
and
in both
yes.
cameras. No, not in both cameras.
I don't know about both camera, but in front camera it's yes.
So, it's good. Front camera. Then I think I'll pass you there. And you get
Which one I should pick?
Same
photography, I think
model
model
is different model.
Model is different.
Not model, sorry.
Yes.
Piece is different.
I need to get the best
Because
piece for
it
it.
differs. Piece
Like
like
videos, then iPhone is.
iPhone. So let's go. We're going to eat something.
No, it's like serious.
600, 30, 300.
So guys, we're going now.
From here.
कहाँ पे करना है? वहाँ पे करना है ना? पे करता हूँ।
Actually, I'm doing almost everything. See, this one's gonna pay.
So guys, we're deciding to eat or not. What do
What do you guys
think?
say? We
Yes.
should eat or not?
Let's vote it.
They would want to eat, but they can't.
Do you want to eat?
According to me, the cops would chase us from my side. Let's go CFC.
Let's go CFC. Yes. He's voting to eat food, and what about you?
Noodles.
Noodles. Yes, yes.
I would say, what is it called? Roti.
Yes.
No, there is no chicken.
And curry.
Curry.
Curry would be good.
Okay.
What is it called, man?
So guys, we all have. Yes. So guys, we have
Tandoori roti we want.
we all decided to eat noodles and tandoori and chicken hakka noodles. Yes.
Tandoori roti with gravy.
With gravy. Yes. So let's do this, guys. Let's go. Guys, we have arrived at noodles shop. I mean, let's eat now.
Why don't you switch, turn it to front?
Yes. Here.
Is it the same place which we visited last time?
Yes, yes.
This is the same place.
It's the same place we visited.
Hey, we have decided to order red one and yellow one. What do you say?
Red
and yellow, both.
We
We will mix.
Yes.
Share our
We're gonna order both.
I think full stomach we will eat. The yellow ones.
Red one and
Two
yellow
only we are
one.
ordering.
Yes.
Bus two only. Two only we are ordering. We have to divide among all. How many order? You mean two curries? Three we order. You mean to say two curries? Okay.
So now let's eat it. Let's eat it, guys.
Oh, I can switch it off. So what I was saying. Let's eat. So we तो खाके पेट पड़ेगा
We should wash our hands before eat, guys.
So let's
By
check the
saying
menu.
that he has
So-
tried it before in this.
Yes. But let's try again. You know.
Yeah, let's see.
The guys that are eating in that bowl, is that kabza rice? Behind us.
I think that's called fried rice.
Yes.
Fried rice.
Fried rice, what is the
We
price?
put
Menu the
fried
menu.
chicken.
Yeah.
So guys, we are here and we're about to order it. It's the
So
menu.
guys, we are here to eat.
And this is the menu, guys.
Yeah, this is the menu, guys.
Let's see what we have
And
here.
let's see what we have here, guys. What
We have a lot of stuff here in the menu, guys.
a lot of stuffs are there.
Yes.
See, guys, you can see he's recording from after something that's good. S23.
Chal, we'll order only noodles all. Something else is there? Kabza rice or fried rice. Where is fried rice? Fried rice doesn't taste good according to me. No, just check the, we just check the price. Achha, fried rice 120.
We're gonna taste something.
Fried rice 120.
Is that the
So,
one that people
Do you
are
want
eating?
fried rice?
What are you going to
Eating
order,
that, is that
Vika?
the same quantity that we'll receive?
Yes, yes, same quantity.
Same quantity, no?
Same quantity. What same quantity?
Yeah. वो इसी जो राइस का जो प्राइस आएगा ना उतना ही क्वांटिटी आएगा ना अच्छा इतना क्वांटिटी आएगा ना 120 है ना अच्छा तो क्या करते हैं नूडल्स जो अच्छा नहीं है क्या पहले तो दो नूडल्स दे दो कौन से नूडल्स
एक ट्राई कर दे दोनों ट्राई कर
कौन से दो नूडल्स रेड और येलो हाँ यार रेड एंड येलो
Red and yellow.
वहाँ लाल वाला
Black and
noodle
yellow.
कौन सा नूडल है
Black and yellow.
हक्का नो
Black and yellow we're gonna try.
Yes.
नूडल्स कौन सा you eat regularly which one is that
Yellow one.
सिंगापुरी खाते तू भी आ जाते
मुगलाई खाए थे ना लास्ट टाइम अच्छा था
दो
इट वाज गुड राइट
हाँ दो मुगलाई 120
वो जो खाए थे मुगलाई वही है ना
नहीं वो भी मंगा ना कभी अरे ये नूडल्स आ रहे वो बाद में कभी
वो बाद- next time. We're gonna eat that next time.
to eat it but they're not letting
No, you will eat next time.
If you wanna give from that your luxury then
Yeah, I will give.
if the price is good then
Here, let's check the price.
But first, let's eat in
I
noodles.
don't like to eat noodles
But you will like it once you eat it. Dish has arrived and he was saying something.
Yeah, I was saying that I wanted to have gravy, but these people are not letting me have. But for now, I don't wanna spend some money.
you can have everything if you want
I can have full menu, but I don't have money much
this them.
by clicking this. Yeah, you guys say something.
if you want to
I'm
order the
saying
whole
this noodles
hotel
is really
menu
good.
is
Actually, signature way to buy this whole hotel.
then order
Yes. Guys, another
You
dish
know?
has come.
what is it it has been dropped
What is? You dropped the chicken.
Look at it, guys. Bismillah.
Wait, what are you eating? No, don't eat.
don't
What the hell is this doing?
credit card cost
If he does like
don't
this.
do that cleanliness is
By the way, if I want to, I can buy a whole hotel. Bye. Let's eat. Okay, you
Let's eat
can
now.
take it over.
So guys, let's eat it. It is really
Let's
tasty.
divide first.
Let's divide first.
फ्राइड राइस उसी का ऑर्डर था ना बस फ्राइड राइस सही ना
हाँ ये क्या
तो
अच्छा
अपने
दिखा
इसमें क्या
चिकन
है? चल फ्राइड राइस भी कर ले ये बाद में ये खत्म करने वाले
ये फ्राइड राइस क्या
अच्छा नहीं रहेगा
ये दे ना
पिज्जा में जो
This chicken, let's see it's good or not.
बस बस
It is good.
Show it to me. I'll also eat.
It is good or not?
Okay,
It is good.
just okay.
Israel is dividing for all of us.
He's serving it.
Oh, he's dividing and serving it. Look at this, the very tasty chicken it has.
What? What are you? क्या
Wait.
हुआ?
वो ज़्यादा it will take a lot of money if I buy extra.
Yes.
That's why.
For now we are not.
For now, yes.
If you order them, then we give you a plate.
Oh, Jazakallah.
I was hoping gravy or something.
This red one looks so tasty,
Yeah,
but
we are going to take everything.
Dude, how much it will cost if I?
yes.
No,
What?
इसमें ज़्यादा चिकन मिल गया क्या? हाँ चिकन
चाहिए तो ले लो.
ये देख दो.
ये देख. ये जा. अभी डाल दो.
ऐसे नूडल्स कम हो जाएगा.
अभी डाल दो.
हाँ
ये भी डाल
खा
दो.
रहा है.
दम दो.
डिवाइड चिकन अच्छा कह रहे हैं एक्स्ट्रा फूड ब्लॉग
Fruit vlog. It is pretty long vlog, I guess, guys.
Seems like we can upload 1 month this content. Oh.
Yes. Guys, they are eating, and how is it? It is good.
it's not bad
Yes, it is good.
Okay.
Now, after some time, we're gonna see ratings. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's go. Guys. So guys, let's try it out. This is the chicken. That's good.
It's good.
Red one. Good.
Cool then.
you didn't even chew it first
I chewed before that, but that's why I'm.
Before putting it inside his mouth, he just chewed it. Done?
This one is also good. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
Cool.
so he's done guys
So guys, we just finished all the food. As you can see, guys, we finished all the food, and now we're drinking this Sprite. As you can see, he's vlogging too. Look at him. He's drinking Sprite, and we also have thumbs up. Yes, we also have thumbs up. Yes. And this is the Sprite, guys, and this is the thumbs up. And now we're gonna drink it.
It's good, guys.
It's good.
camera's good
You want it, guys?
Yes, I want it. They want it.
let me record soon
Wait. So let's see. Good.
bus
Cool. Hold it.
Can you record?
yeah
You too. अरे वाह अच्छा good very good good
give it to me I think drink Sprite
ठीक
I like thumbs up more yeah thumbs up is better thumbs up is better than Sprite
Yes, thumbs up is better than Sprite. I don't think so, but it's his decision. So, guys, see you in a bit.
like nimbu pani
The Sprite is like Nimbu Pani.
nimbu pani he's saying it yeah I'm saying
He's saying that.
yes I'm saying
But both of them combined seem to be good.
You want to drink it?
who wants to drink this much
They want to drink.
You want a drink, viewer?
So, should we go home now?
this much
They can have this much, yes. So guys, what do you think? Should we go home?
We should not waste food. So
Yes.
it's actually late at night.
Now we are going home.
What? 40 plus?
It is.
240. 281.
For drink also we have to.
Yeah, 280.
So guys, we're heading. So let's go. Here the food is making. Shawarma. Yes. So guys, we have arrived at home. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I mean, pretty long vlog. What do you guys say?
We enjoy long vlog.
Yeah,
You
it
guys
was
will
quite
enjoy.
satisfying.
I'm very tired, so I want to rest and sleep now.
Yes. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to Vihashik and Fozens. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I love you.